Hey boys and girls, welcome to Science Rocks. Today we're going to talk about compounds. You know that an atom is the smallest particle that makes up an element. Suppose you take a drop of water and divide it into the smallest bit. You will still have water. You won't end up with an atom, you will end up with a molecule. A molecule is when two or more atoms are joined together. In our diagram, you will see two oxygen atoms, which make up common air that we breathe when joined together. If we take three oxygen atoms and join those together, we end up with ozone. A compound molecule is when we make up a substance using atoms of two or more elements joined together. Our first compound molecule is water. Water is created with two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. That is where we get the ever famous H2O. The other molecule pictured here is carbon dioxide. This is the air we give off when we exhale in breathing. Carbon dioxide is created using one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Element properties change when they are joined together to create a new molecule. For example, when we look at oxygen, oxygen is a clear gas that we breathe. If you look at iron, iron is a shiny metal. When we put the two together, they form rust. Is an orange brittle substance that breaks easily. I'm sure you've noticed on the other slides that there are letters and numbers put together. Those letters and numbers are called formulas. The letters are the element symbols. The numbers represent the number of atoms of that element. If we take a look at calcium carbonate, pictured below, you'll see that calcium has a big letter C and a little letter A. Calcium's symbol is two letters. When we have just the letters written down, that means one atom. You'll notice that carbon is right next to it. It also only has one atom. And then at the end we have oxygen with that little number 3. That 3 is representing 3 oxygen atoms. So calcium carbonate is calcium, carbon, and 3 oxygen atoms that form chalk. Today we're also going to be looking at new materials. New materials are formed when scientists study compounds and develop new ways of combining atoms and molecules. One new substance that was created is bone cement. Bone cement was created by combining calcium and phosphate together. This material is used on the spongy end of bones when they are broken. It allows them to heal a little bit faster and for you to get back to normal activity. Fleece jackets are lightweight coats that are made out of plastic. These lightweight coats keep us warm and they also keep us dry in wet weather. Tennis rackets have changed greatly over the years as well. Tennis rackets are no longer made from wood. They are made from light metals or aluminum material. Another material that has been joined together is the lightweight material of polymers that create our safety helmets. Our bike helmets are no longer big and bulky. They are lightweight, making them more comfortable. We also have our athletic shoes. The gel in the soles allows for our feet to get cushioned when they hit the ground. And then we have our waterproof jacket. There is a substance put within the material that allows the water to repel the jacket versus sinking into the material. This concludes our lesson on compound molecules.